guys, so there's...
Are you ready to adopt another Webkinz onto your account? Let's begin. Enter the secret code that came with your pet.
Okay. I did not plan this out. I'm gonna need to enter a secret code. But I am adopting a Webkinz, so that's always good. So I'm just gonna force you guys to look at that. Just cut the code. So I cut the code. So yeah, this is the code. It probably won't work, and I'm not showing you guys a stuffed animal because it's just so cute. So yeah, nor am I showing you back that side. Pretty sure you guys saw that, but it might have to cut that out. Webkinz will wait. Alright. Ching. Okay, so now I'm just gonna enter the code up here. Okay. It's already 2 minutes long. Wow. Alright. JXTNH.
Okay, all we need before we can send this pet home with you is for you to give them a name and tell us if they are a boy or a girl.
Well, first off, I can't. Alright, it's a freaking Siamese cat. Some people say they're rare, but they're not exactly rare. So, this is the cat. I already have a name for him. It's gonna be boy. Oh my god, that's like the cutest gift box in the world. Alright, his name is Simon. Simon. That's how I spell Simon. Okay, map stuff. Does it come with any map things? No. Alrighty. Simon.
Well done. Now you are ready to start
pet,
playing and having fun in
adopt
Webkinz
it.
world. Whenever you have a pet,
Shut up. Alright. Simon. His name isn't. He looks fat. Looks awfully fat. But I know he's not. Okay. So I have 3 Kinsmail. Wonder what day it's about. Ding. Yes. Some people say I have a lot of rooms, but it's not really a lot. So he's gonna share with Shadow. And Shadow sounds like a boy, but it's actually a girl. And that's my charcoal. Okay. Okay. Welcome home, Simon. You will find during a job. Okay. Alright. Simon is gonna have to deal with living in a pink room. I feel bad for you, Simon. I actually have some sympathy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really for sure. Siamese gift. I am so sorry. Alright. Siamese setting. Special thingy-majigger. Yum yum. What does he say? Wait. I need to clean my camera. Just like it just looks misty and stuff.
Oh no.
And then wash my camera. Alright, bonus gift box. Sandstone spa. Ooh. Beautiful. Alright, so yeah, that's Simon for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, here is a roll